Hey, are you looking for how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner? And maybe you want to find effective lead generation strategies that will help you to build and grow your business online. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer, top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And what I want to show you in this video is basically a concept that you can use to build any business online and be able to increase your income with very few sales, right? So with affiliate marketing, typically it's a one-time commission, but if you're able to help people to build what they want to build rather than what you want them to build, not only will it be easier to make sales, but you actually get a residual income for them using the tools. So basically, what I like to do and what I found to be the easiest way to build online is to help people build what they want to build, and I do it through tools and coaching. So with this funnel builder tool right here, this is what I use. Basically, I built my entire, traffic store off of here, profitbuilderstraffic.com. I have products built off of here. I have my own, courses that I'm building off here. I have everything I need built off this platform. So basically, this is a $25 per month funnel builder tool, and this whole entire membership site that you're looking at, it was built off of this tool. And this site has done $6 million in commissions. Income disclaimer, that doesn't mean you can make that amount of money. It all depends on your work ethic and the time you put forth. The average affiliate, if you're going to be an affiliate of these tools, earns $347, right? So it all depends on you and what you're capable of and what you put into it, right? So, basically this shows you how to build any business in 3 simple steps. It also shows you different things like how to buy your email, how to set up your domain for business, how to link the autoresponder to your funnel builder so you're capturing leads, because that's very important, and then how to set up the uh, DKIM, SPF, and DMARC right here. That's what this teaches you, so that way your emails will end in the inbox, because it's very important when you're sending out emails to make sure that's done. And then you're going to learn, different things like how to create your own funnels, how to optimize for mobile, how to create a hero page, which is a custom branded page, how to create a URL redirect. So basically, whenever you have a long ugly affiliate link, you can make it come off your domain, such as yourname.com/funnels, something like that, right? So you could do different things like share funnels with teammates, people that you have. You could track every lead within the builder to know if it's coming from Facebook, YouTube, Google, to know exactly where your leads are coming from. If you do solo ads, you would know the solo ad vendor. How to do an exit pop. So when people try to leave your page, you could keep them on. They'll get a pop-up saying, no, wait, we have something else for you. So that increases your conversions with your funnels. How to do different things like how to sell your own products, how to do upsells and downsells, how to do a membership site, how to do a bunch of different things in here. And this is all for it's all for $25. So you not only get the coaching right here, you also get the builder. Here's the builder. Uh, I built my entire traffic store off of here, and I mean, as you can see, if I go in here, you can see all the stats of who bought what package and how much they bought it for. This is an e-commerce style store, so you could do e-commerce style stuff as well. You could build out pages. You could build out things like Bill. Bill has a links page. It's branded to him, and so basically, it looks a lot better than like a Linktree page. He uses it for social media, so you could do different things like that. And the cool thing is, I could manage my entire team's funnels. So basically, here's all the people that I manage our funnels. So anybody who has any kind of questions or needs help, we could actually go in their funnel hands on and help them. And I mean, as you can see right here, it's all a drag and drop process, so it makes it very easy to use, very simple. It's only $25 per month, and you get a $20 per month in residual income, which is really cool. And when you sign up with this tool, using the link below this video, you can also get 2 weeks free of daily hands-on coaching. And the daily hands-on coaching is phenomenal, right? So when you get the hands-on coaching, you also get access to this portion right here to learn about uh, traffic. So basically, we have the video modules, then we have live hands-on Zoom calls Monday through Friday where we go over the shoulder, show you how to do your marketing Monday through Friday, and you can ask questions as we do marketing in front of you, right? So we're the only opportunity that does that hands-on marketing, and you can actually get help every single day. So if you have a team, you can plug your team members into here, and this teaches you different things for the video portion of it, so you can learn how to launch your own business, how to invite people in 3 simple steps, how to get unlimited leads with Facebook, how to follow up with your leads, short form video lead generation, YouTube ranking, short form video strategy, so how to get more people to your videos, free Facebook ads method, how to do podcasting, how to do strategies for social media like LinkedIn, how to do Facebook Lives the right way, how to do a blog, how to do different things like how to do a launch right here, and then we have um, paid traffic right here. The paid portion is good. So in the paid portion, you're going to learn how to do a local lead generation. So if you have a local storefront business, that's what this is good for. Solo ad training, how to do text message marketing, uh, how to do how to do YouTube automation. So one of my guys, he did a training on YouTube automation, and we put it back here. How to do Facebook ads and Facebook video ads. So, this is packed with value. And then we have the live Zoom calls right here. We have the Monday night mastermind call where we bring people out Monday nights and they share their strategies of how they're making sales. This one right here is a morning mindset call. You could call in and get your mind right. And this one right here is the Take Action Mastermind. So this is the hands-on coaching every single day, live by Zoom, so you can watch what we do over the shoulder. We normally do video SEO. We show you how to do videos, how to get them to rank. We show you how to write emails and how to connect with people on social media and have conversations and stuff like that. So that's basically what we do with this portion right here. This portion, it's 2 weeks free, then it's $125 per month, and you get a $100 per month in residual income. So with the funnel builder tool and the coaching, it's $150 per month, and you get a $120 per month in residual income. So with only 2 signups, you're $90 in profit. If you're trying to get to like let's say $3,000 per month in residual income, it's only 25 signups. So only 25 signups, and you're at $3,000 per month in residual income. That's recurring income, pays every single week on Thursdays, so you get paid every single week, and it's recurring income, right? So anytime somebody joins the funnel builder tool and the coaching, that's $120 per month per sign up, right? So it adds a lot to your network marketing company, affiliate marketing company, your storefront business, whatever you want to build. You can use these tools and actually get results, right? So that's what makes it very, very powerful. And then we have one other course right here. This is uh, it's a Financial Literacy Academy. It's a one-time course. It basically has nothing to do with marketing and all about your business. So it teaches you how to eliminate your debt, how to reduce your taxes. There's tax loopholes and strategies for your business. And then we show you different things in here. Like we show you how to do different things for taxes. We show you how to plan for retirement, and then how to actually keep your records the right way with your business. And then right here we show you how to invest and avoid scams. We show you how to do investments. In here we show you how to do things like car flipping, how to do passive income with property. We show you how to do stress-free property management. We show you how to do house flipping, and then different things like asset management and protection, things along that nature. This last course is $1,000 one time, and you get an $800 commission when they buy it. So you get $120 per month plus $800. But when you first sign up, you get it for only only $500, and you're able to make a $400 commission one time. So it's very, very powerful when you have all these tools. And then right here, you could come over here to Profit Builder's Traffic, which is my traffic store, and look at what we have as far as paid traffic. So if you've been looking at solo ads, what we do is we want to make sure that your offers are congruent with what you have. So your offers and your traffic need to be congruent. Your capture page and your sales page or your offer has to be able to convert, and then we want to make sure you get high quality traffic to the offer as well. And then when you get traffic from me, you get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get it from a variety of different sources. And then whenever you book a traffic package with me, you could also get a strategy call. So in that strategy call, we help you to set up your offers and your funnels. We help you to get the highest converting pages that convert up to 85% opt-in rate. And then I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because a lot of people aren't doing tracking the right way. They're not, tracking their stats at all. And it's very important when you're running paid traffic. If you don't track your stats, then you're running the risk of throwing your traffic down the drain, and it's not good when you do that. You want to retain your leads and be able to get results. And I want to help you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. And then, so how it works is step one, you're going to select your traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Step two is we do a strategy call and a campaign review. So we're going to show you how to actually get the highest opt-in rate, highest conversions. We're going to show you how things work. We're going to show you how to keep your emails out of the spam folder. And then we're going to show you how to make sure that you get the highest quality leads and that you can actually maintain your list to make sure that your emails will never end up in the spam box ever again, right? Because you could be buying traffic, but if your emails are landing in spam, then nobody's seeing your offers, right? So step three is we launch your campaign after that. So after you book a traffic package, make sure you get the call with me as well, so we can go over the stuff. We can go over your funnel and help you to get the best results possible. So here's some of my testimonials right here. As you can see right here, this one's 90% opt-in rate. This is the only one that I've ever got 90% for, but they got 3 sales on 200 clicks of traffic, right? And there's plenty other testimonials right here, but typically I get people over 50%. Here's tier 1, here's 90% tier 1 traffic, here's 100% tier 1 traffic. So just select the package that's best for you. Here's some of the questions that people ask. So chances are your questions are down here. And then here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no fake bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, you can write them right here and I will get back to you. Also you can reach out to me on Facebook. There's going to be links below this video that you can actually go to my Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. And you can reach out to me. I am verified on Facebook now, so just reach out to me. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, leave them below and I will get back to you. All right. Thanks for watching and bye for now.